Hello, it's Miss Pizisky coming to you live from Shea Pizisky. Hoping all of you are well and washing your hands. I wanted to touch base with you and let you know how happy I am with the work you've been submitting, especially the infographics. Why I love this assignment so much is because you get to pick the topic. And I appreciated that some of you did a general overview like Jordan and Jesus and Ruby and Vanessa. However, some of you delved into specific topics like D-Day and Pearl Harbor. Some of you chose topics that aren't normally selected, like the rape of Nanjing. JJ, I thought you did a great job on it. And Magdalena in selecting your topic with how the workforce changed with World War II. I'd like to give a shout out to the Bracero program, which I hope some of you received my email with that resource. Lastly, Kristen, who focused on the relocation of the Japanese Americans. Certainly, this piece of information, you should have done your 321 regarding the Korematsu case. And I hope that you've seen my welcome on Flipgrid and called out Fred Korematsu. I look forward to seeing more of your intros, as well as your upcoming assignments, such as the journal entry and the World War II memorial. And that, of course, will be submitted on Flipgrid. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me an email, please. I'm here to help you and ensure you are successful. That hasn't changed. I can't wait to see you again soon, but in the meantime, we will have another virtual meeting on Wednesday at 11 a.m. on Zoom. Until then, keep working. Send me your email if you have any questions, and I will respond as soon as possible. Take care.